Hi everyone. Welcome. Chapter 1, called Introduction to Psychology, gives an overview of what to expect this semester. First, we'll learn that psychology is both a science and a practice. The entire field of psychology is only about 160 years old, and during all that time, scientists and practitioners have been active conducting research and learning how to treat all kinds of psychological disorders and difficulties. Research psychologists at universities conduct studies and gather knowledge and write textbooks, and then clinical psychologists and psychotherapists use that knowledge in hospitals and clinics to make people's lives better. Next, you'll learn in this chapter a discussion about several theories that psychologists bring together to understand human experience. That is, how humans develop from birth to death, how we grow over time in our thinking and our emotions and in our relationships with other people, and even how we each developed our own unique personalities. You'll notice that psychology needs several theories to understand our complex mental processes, and we still have a long way to go as a science. For example, we still do not really know how the brain works, nor how to repair it, sadly, when something goes wrong. Finally, in this chapter, you'll read how psychology has its origins in philosophy, in the humanities. But we're a science, and therefore we use the scientific method. Like all good scientific researchers, psychologists work to be objective, methodical, and systematic in studying our topic. But people are really complicated. Remember what we're doing here. Remember the abstract, non-tangible phenomena that we like to study in psychology, such as thoughts, opinions, and hidden emotions like anxiety, stress. These can be really hard to pin down and measure in a scientific way. So psychological research can be a real challenge to us psychologists. Emotions come and go. People have private thoughts that they may not want to share. So overall, the study of these intimate mental processes of people can be a real challenge for us psychologists. But I love this stuff. I think people are fascinating and complex. So let's dive into chapter 1 and let's explore this inner life of you and me and all the people that we know. Let's get started.